Can I set up my router without the WPS button using the default username and password?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be covering how you can set up your router without using the WPS button. This will be particularly useful for those who have routers without a WPS button, or for those who are unable to use it. Don't worry, you can still connect your devices using your router's default username and password. Let's get started.
Why might you not use the WPS button?
The WPS, or Wi-Fi Protected Setup, is a feature that makes it easier to connect devices to your wireless network. But there can be a few reasons you might not want to, or be able to use it. This could be due to security concerns or simply because your router doesn't have a WPS button. Regardless of the reason, it's still possible to connect your devices manually.
What will you need?
Before starting, ensure you have the following: your router, a device to connect to the router, like a laptop or smartphone, your router's default username and password. These are typically found on a sticker on the bottom or side of the router.
How to connect without the WPS button.
Here is the step-by-step guide on how to connect. 1. Connect your device to the router. This can be a wired connection using an Ethernet cable, or a wireless connection using the router's default Wi-Fi network. 2. Open a web browser on your connected device and type in the router's IP address. This is usually something like 192.168.1.1 inches or 192.168.0.1, and it can often be found on the sticker with the default credentials. 3. You'll be prompted for the username and password. Input the default credentials. 4. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to the router's dashboard or settings page. From here, you can change the Wi-Fi network name, the security type, and the Wi-Fi password. Remember to choose a strong password. 5. After making changes, save your settings and restart the router if necessary. 6. Now, you can connect your devices to the router using the new Wi-Fi network name and password you've set. That's it. Even without the WPS button, you can set up your router and connect your devices using the default username and password. Remember, always change the default password to maintain the security of your network. I hope this video has been helpful. Happy networking!